Here we are outside of 1756 Falcon. When you enter the home, there's a nice little entryway, place to sit, take your boots off, hang your jackets. And that's separated from the rest of the home, which is good for heating. Then you walk into the open living, dining, and kitchen. Stairs that go down. Good sized patio. You're nestled here in the trees. And you do have views of Keystone in the distance. Let's see if I can get those for you. Easy to see in person, harder to see on the camera. But Keystone's right there and over there. So mature lot with all these mature aspen trees. And again, nice deck space. Tons of windows and natural light in this home. It is raining outside right now, so it might not look as bright as it normally would on a sunny day. So I'll take you into, got this space as the dining. This home has lots of storage too. There's a coat closet. Kitchen. Looks like they've updated the floors in here. They're tile, but they look like wood. Kitchen could use some updating. Looks like the appliances are newer, stainless steel appliances. And then there's a nice sized pantry. And then on this floor you have one bedroom, good sized closet there, cute little area to sit by the window. And then it's got kind of like a Jack and Jill setup, so you can access it directly off the master, or this is also the bathroom for the main floor. And there's also a good size closet in here as well. Goes back pretty deep. Okay, and then I'll take you downstairs and show you the other 3 bedrooms. This home is just under 1,900 square feet. It still has 4 bedrooms. Laundry room, 3 bathrooms. You come down here, you got one sink area here, and then one full bath, 3/4 bath with a stand-up shower. Bathroom could use some updating. And here's one of the 3 bedrooms down here. It's good size. Nice deep closet here. Another hall closet. Another bedroom. One similar size closet. There's a laundry room. And this door also goes to the backyard here. last bedroom down here. I would consider this the master. It's large and it has a bathroom and walk-in closet. Private bath, where the bedroom upstairs does not have the private bath. There's a deep closet down here. Goes under the stairs. Here's the walk-in closet.